So how can you use a whiteboard app on your Android for teaching? So let me talk about it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So let me explain how it would work. First of all, you need to get an app where you can draw and use it as a whiteboard. So there are a few apps which you can explore. Like there is you can literally look up whiteboard into the search, but there is the Microsoft whiteboard. But the one which I would personally use is one called Miro, which is a great choice because it works on multiple different platforms, and it's an app which sort of works like Infinite Canvas. If you know or are familiar with the freeform on the iPad, this is kind of a similar thing, and you can use it like that to draw and insert elements and just continue using it like a whiteboard where you can paste basically anything that you want. And that's really the nice part about it. Like you can use it on multi different platforms and teach with it. So that's the first step. But outside of that, you also need to set up a way which you're gonna like transfer this information to someone else. Because I believe the best way would be to either screen record your screen while explaining the stuff on the whiteboard. So you would have the ability to swipe down from the top right. From the top portion of the display to access the control center, and you can find the screen recorder. So I would just set up the screen recorder like that, show stuff which I want to teach onto the whiteboard, and then I would just stop the recording and I would have a video stored in my gallery of me explaining and teaching stuff using my whiteboard. And this is the lecture which I can basically share with anybody I want, and it is something which a lot of people might find useful because it's stored in there, and it's very actually interesting because that it can all be set up inside of just one phone, so no other devices are needed for it. So this is how I would personally use it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments specifically about this. If you have some more questions, leave it right there. Perhaps I'll make an updated video about it in the future. For now, that's it, and I'll see you in the future uploads.